It says filter, off, and bypass. Okay, so now it's coming through. It's on the filter. So now we're going to turn it off. Now that's going to kill it, but we can put it to bypass, which means it'll still run, but it's disconnected from here now.
Okay.
So now you take one of these wrenches, okay, and we're going to go counterclockwise. So if you think about it, you're looking up here, you want to turn it this way, okay? So you want to go towards the house.
Okay.
This just slides right up in here, it fits in these grooves. Okay, get it about halfway. You want to hold this kind of with your back of your arm. Hold on. I think this is the right. Change filters. There we go. Yeah, that's the one.
So there's a few different wrenches.
Well, I'll throw this one away because I put a new one on. That's from my old one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's all you gotta do. Crack that loose. Like I said, you just put your little arm here so you're not putting too much pressure on your copper. And then once you break it, it'll come off. Turn it off. How about that? Let's keep it in the off position.
Mike, are you okay with me recording this?
No.
Video and audio?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
I want you to know everything. So once it's loose, then you just unscrew.
Okay.
It's going to drip a little water. Okay. All right, watch yourself. We're going to just take this and dump it. We're going to just exchange it.
Generic GM mirrors, and we want to try to keep this car as close to the original as possible. So obviously replacing the mirrors wasn't even a second thought.
Got a little O-ring in here.
Brand new chrome
Just make sure I keep it Vaselined up so it just stays right in there.
And this is the exact mirror you would have found in this car.
And you take this filter.
We found this guy, which is the original.
Here's your replacement. I'll leave you this number so you know which one to buy.
Okay.
Okay. This just slides right in here. There's a little round thing on the bottom.
Okay.
And this just goes right into that.
It was no question to
And then you just line it up.
All right.
Put it right back in. You got a little hole up in here, so just take your time, slide it in slowly, and just start twisting it back in. Get it hand tight. Just come back up with this. Give it a quarter turn. Same thing. And that's it. Put your wrench right back here so you know it's there, but then you just turn it on the filter slowly. And now you're on. Now you're good. Now you can physically just see it. When it starts to get brown, you change it.
Okay.
Okay?
And that's got to usually change three months?
Yeah, it just depends on how much. I mean, it's white now. When you start seeing it get brown, you just buy another one. They're real cheap. They're only like $3 filters.
Okay.
Okay, that's that.